guys, I just wanted to quickly pop on here and open up this package I received from LUXTIQUE. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so in this package includes 3 products, and this is in the scent In the Limelight, and it is fresh citrus. So it comes with a bubble bath, a body scrub, and a body oil. And then they also include 2 samples for you to try. So it's 2 other scents. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the bubble bath here. Oh wow, that smells really fresh, really fruity. Yeah, this smells really nice. I can't wait to try this out. And I have their other sets, and they lather up so nicely. They just work beautifully in the shower and bath. And here is the body scrub. I wanted to show it to you guys up close. It smells wonderful. It's so pretty, like a light fruity citrus scent. So here's all the products together. I hope you guys give them a try. These would make beautiful bridal shower gifts or birthday gifts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.